Here you see one of the neat new features of the new Hero GoPro 5 Black. I can use my phone as a monitor, and I can you can see the tunnel effect there. So I can use my phone as the monitor, and it works out pretty good. It's a slight delay, it's via Bluetooth, but so we have the deck is all hooked up today. All the joists are on, and we're going to put some AZEK decking on here. Let me show you the deck ties. These are the deck ties. So that has a 18-inch by half-inch all thread on it. And then we had to build out the web of the truss joists 7/8 of an inch on both sides. Our lumberyard did not have any 7/8 plywood, so what we did is we got a sheet of 3/8 and a sheet of half-inch, and that gives us effectively a 7/8 piece of plywood. Okay, so we have our end beam on here now, and we've got our beam in there is on. We have about an 18-inch overhang. See me here? There. Hey, there's a creative shot for you. So I am looking at the deck with my phone while using the GoPro to video record it. Okay, so we have effectively about 15-foot deck joists coming across two 4x10 beams, all treated lumber. We have the AC post caps, 4x6 post cap on both sides, and down at the bottom we have the ABU 4/6 post base on all of the post bases. And then over here we have a doubled joist here, and that is because the deck changes to an 8-foot depth on this side, and so the joist here nails into the end of that 8-foot joist on the side. So then there's what the top of the deck looks like. Let's see if I can level that. So there you see the 8-foot sistered up against the 16-foot joist. And you can see the two 4x10 beams and all the 24 by 24 by 12 footings. And then over here you see the half-inch deck lock bolts. There is our galvanized flashing Z-flash that comes over the rim joist and deflects water away from it. We've got our Tyvek all along here. So this is all coming along very nicely. I think tomorrow we'll start doing our posts, and we are, instead of doing our posts on the outsides, we're going to do the posts on the inside. Let's see. It's a little confusing here when you're trying to do one camera while looking at it through another. Okay, so yeah, we have a little bit of stuff to haul away here again. The never-ending junk pile. So what the architect engineer has designed is I have to make these here 16-inch by 6 5/8 pieces of fill for the webbing on both sides. So the screws run long on one side, but that's all right. It's going to be up in the ceiling. So now I have to just do the rest of these, and I've got this one here is gluing up for the morning, and these are some more that we'll be working with. But yeah, so I think in a couple of days we'll get back into plumbing mode. There's our toilet vent and drain for the toilet, and then we still need to come down here with the laundry sink and wash machine, and then those will go through the joist again and connect into the 3-inch waste pipe, which will connect up down to the waste pipe there. So okay, that is your Monday update. Yeah, we still have to get our concrete guy to come in and start doing the grading here for the parking area, and he's been busy with some other stuff, but we're going to have to get on him about getting things wrapped up over here. Okay, so that is Monday, July July something or another, probably about the 9th or 10th I think. So I am gonna head home now. It's been a long day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Now I will pause the video with or just stop the video.